Hello friends, welcome to my channel Web Guru World. So today we will see a new video where we will see that how we can add music in our screen or as a interactions, like whenever you do a payment or any kind of things where you wanted to give successful success kind of animation, and you wanted to add some music behind of the screen will be play. So we will see that how can we will introduce in our designs. So I will show you how you can do that, and I will try to show you this interaction with the two ways. Like, one is a flat interaction that will be user will press this pay button, and he can this he can see user can see this so like payment confirmation screen, and in the background he can also hear the payment successful music, like whatever the music your brand has, you can add it here. Okay, and there is other interaction, but the motto is same. Actually, the we wanted to add the music, but the thing is the interaction will be a little bit different. I will try to show this pay or CTA interaction a little bit different way. So like so that we have like a two interactions in terms of how you user pay and reach to the next screen. Okay, so like two things we will cover up here. Like, one is how we can add a music, a second one how we can add an interaction in a CTA, and once the user land to the second, again he will hear the music. Okay, so let's see how we can do that, or I will show you. Okay, so for that what I did here is I have created two skins. One is one on the first skin we have one payment detail where we have a like order detail and the price, and we have a CTA, and I have created some payment options where we have Paytm, PayPal, Apple Pay, and etc. So like it is like a dummy kind of layout. You please don't judge in terms of the UX and the UI. So it is like a dummy skins I have created for that right now. So, and as well as the second skins, I've just showcased some major informations that what the product price was, like who was the merchant, time, date, and successful message. There is a barcode and paid by the Paytm. Okay, and this small video interactions will be like GIF animation will be happen in the top, like it is a like GIF animation. And in this screen, whenever the user reach in this screen, he user can hear the successful message music. Okay, so like whatever the music you have, or like or custom music you wanted to introduce in your skins, you can add it. Okay, so now what we will do, we will first of all we need a like a music file, obviously. So for that what I did here is created I downloaded one Paytm payment successful music tone, like just because we have the file in our file we are showcasing the Paytm as a payment you can say like merchant, right? uh, and we have payment service, so we are using the Paytm payment service, and whenever user click on this pay, this uh, yeah, Paytm will be allowing us uh, to do the payment. Okay, so for that I what I did here is I downloaded Paytm payment successful music. I just wanted to show you that how it will be go. So see, so this is the kind of music they has whenever a user pay or do any kind of payment. Okay, so now what we will do it, we will come into the this screen, and here what we will do is we will import this file. Files fails to import, file format is not required, fail to convert. Okay, for that I need to convert it into the mp3 or like some other format so that we can utilize it. Okay, so guys, what I did is I converted this mp3 file to mp4 just because the Figma is not supporting the mp3 file uh, okay. So we have to convert it into the mp4 format. So I converted it now, and now I will import it into our design. Okay, so this file we have imported into our screen, and now what I will do is I will move it to the little bit top. Okay, I move it to the top, and I wanted to make this appearance as a 0%. Okay, this is the first thing I did. Okay, now what I will do it, I will click on this CTA, pay CTA, and here I will add interaction that someone, you if user uh, click on this, he will redirect to this screen. Okay, and this file has the second screen, we have the file name is frame number 19. Okay, you can rename it according to your requirement. I'm just doing it as a default what uh, it has. And now we can also rename it as a flow or something called music interaction. Okay, okay, now I just wanted to play it, and let's see how it will behave. Okay, so we have the informations like we have a payment delay, title, Paytm. After that there is a image of a product, the logo of the product, brand name, and after that the name, blah blah blah. Now I'm just clicking on this pay, and the music is not coming. Where we need to see that why this music is not coming. Let's see, let me check the file that why this music is not came here. Okay, if let's see if we have 100% visibility. Let's see how the things will behave. Okay, the music is not coming. Okay, okay, now it is come. Now it is come. But the thing is, actually this gif animation is not uh, synchronizing well, not gelling with the music. But like I'm just creating it for the like I'm not going with the in terms of details, like music is not matching with the gif animations. Okay, you can like work on it. You can like download some kind of animation which will well synchronize with the uh, music, like where the music, when the music start, this gif animation will play at that time. So you can do that like in your R&D time. Okay, I'm not going in detail on that. All right, so the thing is I'm just wanted to, can we have this no, it is a gif, it is a gif file, so we can make it we can like so edit so much on it. See, so the music is coming nicely, and the GIF animation is coming again and again. You can run the music file as a loop also, but my suggestion would be that don't do that. GIF animation can be we can show that as a in a loop. That can be not a like a major problem in terms of the UX, just because it will show you that something uh, some kind of interaction, like some kind of behavior you did successfully. So this can be happen this we can show that as a like in a loop, but music will not, just because music can irritate someone that why music is playing again and again. Okay, so I think this is how you can do that, and this is a basic thing which we can achieve uh, with adding the music in your interactions. Okay, so you can add whatever the video interactions you just wanted, you can add that. Okay, so there is a one issue. Hmm, how? Okay, so my interaction, like my video, is playing again and again just because we need to go to the prototype file, tab, and here you can see this autoplay. It is coming, it is showing checked as autoplay. So we need to uncheck it so that it will not play again and again. That we you can also do. No, sorry, this is a GIF file. You can't do that. But in case if this is MP4 file, the similar way you can also stop the loop of this. You can say animation also. Okay. So, but right now it is a GIF file. So obviously the GIF, you can stop that by uh, editing of that file, this gif edit file. Okay, so I'm not going in detail of this thing. Okay, and one more thing, the friends, that this adding the music file, obviously this will come into the your pro if you have a pro version. So you have to buy the Figma Pro version for that, and after that you can avail this facility. Okay, so now coming to the next thing, like a second task, which we will show that how we can play a little bit interaction into the your pay CTA. Okay, so let's begin on it.